Hit me with it. These Shilajit gummies are delicious. Why am I so tired all the time? I get asked by numerous people every single day. Well, maybe at least one person. When you're a kid, you got energy for days. It seems to never go away. You have to run around the block a few times just to burn off some of that extra energy. Then one day, you wake up and you realized it's been a long time since you splashed through a puddle rather than stepped over it. And now you're just tired all the dang time. Where did all the energy go? And is it possible to get it back? Well, the truth is harsh. You are never gonna be a kid again. But make no mistake, you can get your energy back. Maybe not enough to send you running around the block at top speed, but enough to make you feel like you still got it. The energy to do what you really wanna do in this life. That soul energy to accomplish all of your responsibilities and more. So how do we start to repair our energy levels? First, we need to talk about what's destroying them. Quick science lesson. Energy comes from your body cells, and more specifically, from your mitochondria. We are voltage beings. It's their job to take the nutrients you eat and turn them into energy you need to do everything that your beautiful cosmic self does every single day. So if you want more energy, you need to feed and care for the health of your mitochondria. Here's 5 things that I do every single day to care for my mitochondria so that my mitochondria doesn't con me or you. Number 1, you need to hydrate, but you need to drink the right kind of stuff. Most people are drinking processed water that's not structured, that's stored in plastic reservoirs and flows through plastic pipes, meaning it's not structured, which you're not gonna absorb. Your body needs minerals, it needs structured water, crystallized water, shaman blessed water. Well, maybe not that far, but you get my point. When I travel, I take a little Redmond real salt with me and I put it on my tongue first thing in the morning because there is a salt cluster that when you mix it up with water, your body doesn't use it. So you have to put it on your tongue for a second, then drink the water. Hold it there for 5 seconds. I drink 32 ounces on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, right after waking up. That's a lot. You could probably start with 12 or 14, depending on how much you weigh, your size, how much you can hold in the tank. Some mornings, if I know I'm traveling, I literally feel a little mucus run out of my nose, just a little bit. My nose opens up. That's your lymphatic system turning on. You're sleeping all night. You got stagnant chi, stagnant energy. When you wake up, you want that water first thing in the morning. Number 2, instead of coffee, I like to re-energize with berries and adaptogens. Your acromantia is the mucosal lining around your gut. Now these are your protective forces. Remember gladiator, shield wall? That's your acromantia. That's protecting you from everything in the external world. What feeds that? Berries. Apple peel is one of the best things for acromantia. So you can remove toxins, invaders, pathogens, if you believe in germs. They can all sap your energy a little bit at a time. So what I do is I drink red juice first thing in the morning. It's got an adaptogenic blend with rhodiola, cordyceps, all the berries you can imagine, and beets. You know I love beets. Number 3, the best way to avoid burnout is literally to avoid getting burnt out. And that means taking breaks regularly. I start the morning and I use this little gadget here. This is an egg timer. I have it actually set for 50 minutes. Hit this thing, and then I work for 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break, and then I breathe, I do yoga, I do Tai Chi. Laughter yoga, if you're feeling something crazy, you just laugh. Increase those endorphins, put yourself in a vagal tone that's positive, moving into parasympathetic state. I love it, and you're a lot more focused. So you do 4 to 6 of those rounds, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and I bet by Thursday or Friday, you've done more in those 3 days than most people do in a month. Seriously. Even get outside. Get out from the artificial blue light. Walk around the block. It makes you more productive, also helps the time go by and make work more fun. Every job is still a job, no matter how much you love it. Number 4, I think this is so powerful. I do it all day long when I remember. Most of the time we don't remember because we're breathing from our upper chest, but breathing from your belly. You breathe through your nose. From your belly, this increases nitric oxide in your blood, which is great for lowering your resting heart rate, putting you in that parasympathetic state, increasing endorphins in your brain, increasing your mitochondrial oxygen uptick, your VO2 max, belly breaths every hour, 5 to 10 belly breaths if you're feeling a little tired, before you reach for the coffee, after the berries, the water, everything that we're talking about. If you're driving alone by yourself and it's late at night, do some deep breathing in the car. You'll notice your energy will start to come back on. We are oxygen beings. I like to keep my oxygen levels around 98 to 100 at all times. And like I said before, you could also add the berries and beets, not to mention to your routine. They're great for increasing nitric oxide. If you don't like the taste Taste-A-Beets. We got the tasteless beets in the Organifi red juice, and it tastes absolutely amazing with the berries and everything else that's in there. Number 5, for energy. Maybe you're at this point in your life where you're hitting a midlife crisis or whatever it is. One of the biggest motivators is a sense of purpose. You guessed it, a longing to be. What is the reason you wake up in the morning? What's your why that makes you cry? What is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to be? Who do you want to help? Who do you want to impact? What are your dreams, your desires, and your goals? What is your identity? Maybe you've heard me talk about that 13 years ago on this channel. We started talking about the identity process. Why do you want it? What are they going to say when you get it? What do you want to hear from your friends? And what does it look like when you're in your dream vehicle, your body, right? So if you've started to lose sight of yourself, take time to reconnect to that deeper part of you. If you're feeling like you don't have energy, well, maybe your energy has been to serve yourself for a while. I think the more selfless I am, the more energy I actually have. So be honest with yourself. Find out what lights you up, what lights your soul on fire. Find the place where you lost part of yourself. Go back to that. Regain it. Bring your soul back home. Chances are it's been far too long since you've really gotten acquainted with your real self. And number 6, and I know I said 5, but I have to give you a bonus on this video, my friend. Number 6 would be, have you heard of it? Shilajit. Now, this rare substance actually comes from the rock in the Himalayan mountains, and it's absolutely jam-packed with energizing minerals, acids, and nutrients. I started taking this in the raw form, and after about 3 days, I felt so amazing, but I didn't like the taste of it. It tasted like I was licking the bottom of someone's shoe that had ran around the block. Maybe they stepped in a little dog poo too, who knows? So, to be honest, this stuff tastes absolutely incredible, my friend. We had to put it in gummy form. That made you crave it, because when you crave something, it becomes a habit and you actually do it. I was just in this fancy grocery store in LA. It's called Erewhon. You could literally spend $100 on a small bag of groceries. It's absolutely insane. Smoothies are like 30 bucks. It's absolutely ridiculous. But I loved it because the buyer for the whole nutrition supplement department came over and I said, hey, have you tried these Shilajit gummies? And obviously she didn't know. I've been with Organifi for a while. And she's like, I love those Shilajit gummies. In fact, I love handing them out to all the employees in here. When there's an energy slump, she's like, I give them out and I watch what happens. She's like, their energy lights up. They feel more charged. You know what I'm saying? And I was just beaming because I love helping the team create products that can impact you and impact the world. Some other supplements I like on top of Shilajit: riboflavin, gives your body electrons, free electron donors, CoQ10, PQQ, methylene blue, but all of these supplements enhance cellular energy through various mechanisms. Riboflavin is crucial for carbohydrate and protein metabolism. It acts as an antioxidant. CoQ10 is essential for ATP production in the mitochondria. If you want to talk about an energy uplift, PQQ promotes mitochondrial biogenesis and efficiency, which boosts ATP production and it protects your cells from oxidative stress. Talk about a home run. And then there's methylene blue. I'm like the blue tongue guy, maybe you've seen that before. It increases the voltage of your cells without taking anything from your body. Caffeine, you have to rob Peter to pay Paul. Methylene blue? Nope. Together, these supplements, my friend, can boost your cellular energy overall. We could literally dive further into these supplements. I could do a full-length video on every single one of these. If you're interested in that, leave a comment below of what follow-up video you'd like me to create. In the meantime, keep your energy up. Focus on these 7 things, my friend, and it will change your life. So, how did this video land for you? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you're doing to increase your energy levels. As always, I'm gonna pick somebody in the comments below and they're gonna win a juicer and a whole stash of Organifi next week in our video. So make sure you leave a comment below. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together. And also, if you love this video, you're gonna love this even more. Click this video. Go get it. I need another one of those. Thanks, buddy. I literally could eat a whole bag.